This is not a regular coleslaw. This is my unique smoked jalapeno honey lime slaw. The crunchy, colorful signatures aside, that will take that pulled pork sandwich to the next level. Wow. Welcome back to Flavors and Footprints. Today I'm going to show you exactly the slaw I use for my pulled pork sandwich. For the slaw, we are keeping it fresh and crunchy. Green and purple cabbage for texture and color. Finally chopped jalapeno for a little heat. Green onions and cilantro for freshness. And carrots to balance everything with a touch of sweetness. Simple ingredients, but they work perfectly together. Now for the dressing. Start with mayo, then add apple cider vinegar, honey, Dijon mustard, then season it with the smoked paprika, ground cumin, kosher salt, and black pepper, and fresh lime juice for that balance of tang and sweetness. Whisk it until smooth and glossy. This is what ties the whole slaw together. And to finish our smoky lime dressing, we're gonna use today Maritime Madness Down East Stinger hot sauce. Maritime Madness is straight from PEI, Canada, and you can get a discount code down on my description. Use it and you will not regret it. And now everything goes into a bowl. Veggies go first. Cabbage, carrots, jalapenos, green onions, and cilantro. That's where all the crunch and color comes from. Then pour the dressing right over the top. Grab a spatula and gently fold everything together until every strand is coated. Okay, now everything is mixed and this looks and smells delicious. We're gonna wrap it and we're gonna put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So it soaks into all those flavors that we added to it. If you want the full recipe and tips for the pulled pork recipe for which I make this coleslaw, hit this link up here and then you get it all. See you in the next one.